Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add Canva website to Google site. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open your Canva website. Now, go on top right corner, click on share, and here, click on see all. Now, select this option embed, and if you can't see this option over here, just go in the search bar and type embed. Okay, now click on it, click on embed. Now make sure you have copied this code, HTML embed code. Click on copy. Go back again on your Google site. Go on the right side, click on embed, and here select embed code. Now paste your code, click on next, and after that just click on insert. Okay, you can make it big, like if you wanna make it fit into your Google site, you can do that. Okay, so as you can see the preview, your website will look like this. For mobile, it will look like this. So that's it for the video. That's how you can insert your website into the Google site. Thanks for